Hello bikers, welcome to another educational episode from Moto Extreme. In this episode, you will learn how to behave on the roads and see some interesting moments caught on bikers' camera. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. This truck driver almost rear-ended the biker on accident. Watch how they both reacted. This is a pure example of how calm everyone should be.
This is my second sport bike. I had a Z1000.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
No, but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll record the whole thing.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
And you pushed me on the left, so don't.
I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be an asshole.
I was gonna go straight. It came on my left.
Hey, I wasn't trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way.
I was just trying to get around you, and you gunned.
On the left?
Yeah, because there's two lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend you.
It's okay. That's why I gunned it, and then I want to go this way.
Hey, we're good. We're good. I wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around me.
No. I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the ride.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking the left, I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
All right.
This biker almost high-sided his bike, and out of traction, his left foot touched the ground. Luckily, he wasn't really injured. Watch how the lady in the car behind him reacted as well.
Did I hit you?
I'm so glad you're okay. Oh my God.
Did I hit you?
Whatever you dropped hit my car.
Oh, I didn't hit you?
You didn't hit my car.
Okay. Yeah.
Something fell. I'm just glad.
Do you know what I hit?
Something fell. It was.
Oh.
He did a wheelie. I hope you weren't about to do a wheelie. He did a wheelie.
Yeah.
Like 2 wheels down.
Yeah. Thank you for stopping. I'm so sorry.
No.
That was my seat that fell off.
It was your seat.
Yeah, I don't know. And I guess I ran it over?
You ran over and then it hit my car, but
Okay.
I'm worried about that.
Okay, thank you so much, okay? Yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine.
At least you got on gear.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good one. Damn. Oh. Well, more of the story. And don't rock no seat bolts. Dude, my leg. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. I can't put any pressure on my foot. Oh, can you help me, please? I may or may not have put a huge ass on my leg. I swear to God.
Here. Get off.
I need you to drive my bike home.
I got you. You want to go to the hospital?
I don't know.
You probably should. So what did you hit, the peg?
I think so.
This biker was riding at a decent pace, 25 to 30 miles per hour, and barely tapped his front brake to scrub off a little speed, and his front tire washed out and he flew over the handlebars. Luckily, he wasn't injured.
You right?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't know what happened there.
Like stuck? You lift here?
Hang on.
Anything broken?
No, I'm good. All right, I'm good. Yeah.
All right. Don't wait. How you doing?
All right.
Stay for a bit?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Get you flipped around. Sure, nothing broken?
Yeah, no.
All right.
Just got the wind knocked out of me.
Yeah.
Just my bike's broken, jeez. Thank you.
Start.
I went up around, there's like a gnarly ass rock section.
Yeah.
And then you come up around, then there's like a nice black diamond you come down.
Oh,
It's pretty gnarly, and I was just cruising along, but
yeah.
I don't know what happened there.
These bikers stopped late for a red light. The two guys behind them couldn't stop in time, and one of them hit the biker on the right. Luckily, nobody was injured. Luckily, this biker didn't get injured. His bike was totaled. The driver was found at fault. This intoxicated guy got into a motorbike accident, and then he started attacking everybody out of nowhere? What the heck is going on here? Take a look.
Я машину тебе поставлю, хуй тебе, блядь, поставлю. Стой, блядь! Сука, я хуй, сука, блядь, нахуй! Стоять, блядь! Стой, блядь, здесь, блядь, стоять все, блядь! Стой, блядь!
Вы, ребята, не нападайте на человека.
Ага, блядь, ты, блядь, умная, блядь!
Полиция приедет, полиция приедет. Я с собой пистолет
Вот так вот, блядь!
Вот того не принимал немножко по рукам.
Вот, посмотри!
То що, ну а я...
Хорош, блядь, держите его нахуй! Я на месте стою! Стой здесь, милиция приедет! Ты, блядь, бил, блядь, машину! Иди сюда, блядь!
Подожди. Тихо, тихо.
Ты посмотри,
Тихо, тихо.
Так, хорош,
сюда, блядь!
хорош, мужик, ну подожди, ну видишь, они здесь стоят оба.
Он уходит!
Успокойся.
Фонарь нормально мне смотреть? Смотри, какой фонарь. Когда...
Luckily, this biker didn't get injured. His bike was totaled. The driver was found at fault. This driver ran a red light and ended up hitting the biker. Luckily, the biker wasn't injured. However, his bike was totaled for 3 months.
No.
I'm on the motorway there. Hang on, I'll get this one. And please. Yeah, I've just knocked into a motorbike. He's off. Just hang on there.
This driver was squeezing this bike's leg and blocking his exhaust, so he couldn't ride off. Watch how the biker reacted.
Oi. Foda-se, chega. Estás-me a bater, meu. Chega-te para a frente. Chega-te para a frente um bocadinho, se faz favor, senão não consigo andar. Para a frente, caralho. Para a frente, caralho. Foda-se, meu. Chega-te para a frente, caralho.
Então, caralho, o carro está a descair, quer o quê?
Foda-se, mete o pé na embreagem, trava e anda, caralho. Burro do caralho, meu. Foda-se.
This biker in front crashed his bike into the side of the road. Watch how the other bikers reacted. Luckily, nobody was injured.
Yeah, they're alright. Cheers, though.
Oh, hold the brake.
You blessed?
Yeah, I'm blessed, my boy.
Bro, I got that on film!
This guy had his keys sitting on the roof of the car. Luckily for him, the biker saw them there and returned them to him before he would have lost them along the way to his destination.
I got 3 sitting up on top here. Sorry.
This car was stuck on the mountain, so the biker decided to step in and give them a push. Much respect to this biker. Look carefully at the biker in front. This is exactly why lane splitting can be very dangerous sometimes. This driver just forced himself into the biker's lane and almost crashed into him. This biker lost parts of his motorcycle while riding on the expressway. Luckily, he managed to pull over safely. Watch how he reacted.
Fuck the shit, bro.
These guys were shining lasers at this biker. Watch how he reacted.
Don't be careful, you pricks.
This driver decided he wanted to switch to the opposite lane of traffic without indicating or using his mirrors. Watch how calmly this biker reacted to this.
No indicator.
Ever wonder what it's like riding through a flood? Well, here you go. Remember, bikers, never ever try this yourselves.
कैमरे में दिख नहीं रहा होगा लेकिन पानी का फ्लो तो यार बहुत ही ज़्यादा था और लिटरली मेरी फट चुकी थी। यहाँ पे एक सरप्राइज़ भी वेट कर रहा था मेरे लिए। चलो आपको दिखाता हूँ।
मेरा पैर अंदर चला गया पानी में और भाई बहुत ठंडा पानी है।
This biker was standing at a green light this whole time. He admits it's fully his fault. Lesson learned. Oh man, look at this respectful interaction between this biker and a pedestrian.
Yeah.
People, please cross the road from the crosswalks. The biker admits he was going a little too fast, but says he didn't expect this. He's very lucky the driver saw him in time. People, please never ever use your phone while driving.
Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
This biker found a tree branch in the middle of the road, so he decided to take it out of the road. This biker is an absolute hero.
I'll get over here in the ditch. Sure there's no cars coming. Yep, got it all pretty much. Anyways, now to get out of here. This shouldn't be too hard.
This is exactly why you don't speed in farm country at night.
Well, I have an general idea. Oh, there's no lights on his tractor or anything. I didn't even see the guy. He needs to have lights on if he's running at dusk. They're required to. That came up out of nowhere.
It still surprises me that people have no idea how to use roundabouts properly. People, please make sure to check your blind spots before switching lanes. Sometimes indicating is not enough. Again, please use crosswalks when crossing the road. Jaywalking is an absolute nightmare. Please pay more attention. What is this BMW driver thinking? People, please slow down when driving or riding in the rain. In today's episode of Am I Invisible? We have this guy right here that thinks he owns the road. This guy started indicating after he changed his lane. What was he thinking? What's up with people not using their indicators these days? Bikers, I just uploaded this video and the clips are even crazier than what you just watched. Click here to watch it. Trust me, you won't regret it. I'll see you over there.